Hey guys, I hope you are having a great day. So for today, we're gonna wrap up our saddle project. Now I know we've gotten a few of y'all's saddles from Friday that you created, and we're still missing quite a bit. So those of you that have not submitted a saddle to Mrs. Raisler or I, you won't be able to complete your saddle project today because you need to have that saddle submitted with all the requirements that I've already talked to you about in order to complete the project. So if you could get that submitted to us as quickly as you can, that would be great. And when you do, you'll come back to this video and watch what you need to do for the last bit of the saddle project. I still want you to watch today because at the end of the video, I'm going to explain another assignment that you will be able to complete today. But until you get your saddle submitted to Mrs. Raisler or I, you won't be able to finish the saddle project. And it is for a grade, so get it submitted to us as quickly as possible. I know a couple of you may not have a printer, and that's fine. We've had a couple students that took a piece of paper and traced the saddle off the screen and colored it and sent it to us, and that was a great problem-solving thing they did. So maybe you could try that, just getting the piece of paper, tracing it real quick and coloring it. So, but if y'all have any other questions about that, just please let us know. So for those that have submitted the saddles, and you've already shopped, and the classes here have shopped the saddles, Mrs. Raisler and I will have your saddle amount that you sold commented on this right here where it says saddle project sheet. So we'll have this a comment for you. So when you hear me talk about the amount you sold, you're going to come to this assignment, and when you click view assignment, under the private comments on the side, it'll tell you so-and-so you sold 10 saddles, so-and-so you sold 20 saddles, however many you sold. That's where you're going to get that information from, is from the saddle project sheet under view assignment under your private comments on the side. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open up this document again. And today we're filling in the blue sections. Okay, so if you sold 10 saddles, okay, again, you're going to get that number from the comment section of this assignment. You're going to type the number of saddles you sold here. Okay, then you're going to multiply it by the amount of profit per saddle. So right on Friday, you filled this information out and you came up with this number right here. This number right here. Okay, on your sheet, it could be 25, 35, whatever number you came up with here. That's a profit for one saddle. So if you sold 10 saddles, it'd be 10 times that much. So you need to take your number of saddles and whatever is here for your profit. So if say it's $35 and multiply it 10 times 35. So then you can get your total profit, which is $350. And I know we haven't done double digit multiplication yet, so you can please use a calculator to calculate that. But again, you're going to take the number of saddles you sold, which you're going to get from when you click on this assignment under private comments, will tell you how many you sold, and then calculate the total amount of profit you made off your saddle here. Taking the number you sold, multiply it by profit per saddle, and getting the total profit. And again, those of you that haven't submitted a saddle, as soon as you get that done and we can have the kids up here shop for it, we'll get you your number and you can complete this portion. Okay, and we need that before the end of the week because it's the last week of the grading period, and this is a grade for this grading period, so we need to wrap this up before Friday. Okay, so again, you're getting your number from here in the private comments and using that information to finish the blue section right here. Once you're done with that, now the sheet is complete, you can turn in this assignment, okay? And the next thing we're going to do today is complete some profit task cards or slides. Okay, ice cream profit. So you're going to go through these slides and read through all these directions, okay? Here we have an ice cream wholesale. These are how much all these items of an ice cream shop cost. Okay, like a split bowl is 45 cents, fancy bowl is 35 cents, cones 15 cents, so on and so forth. And what you're going to do is you're going to use the prices. So the prices is this sheet right here. So you're going to be coming back and forth to this sheet, and you're going to need scratch paper. You will need scratch paper. So you're going to come to each scenario. So here's the ice cream shop. You're going to look at the ice cream cone and see what they got. They got a cherry, whipped cream. They have a cone. This is how much this ice cream costs. Okay, so this ice cream costs $2.25. Over here, you're going to type in the wholesale cost, meaning the cost of all of these items from this list. So there's a cone that was 15 cents. Okay, they have 1, 2, 3 scoops of ice cream. So each scoop is 25 cents. So that's 75 cents. So 15 cents plus 75 cents. And then they also have whipped cream and a cherry, which whipped cream is 10 cents and a cherry is a nickel. So I would add all those up. So 15 cents plus 75 cents plus 10 cents plus 5 cents, which would give me $1.15. That is the wholesale cost. So again, we're looking at this ice cream cone and looking at, they even give you a little picture up here. We're looking at this price list to see the wholesale cost. So my wholesale cost for this ice cream was $1.15. Wholesale is what the store has to pay for the products. Okay, you as a customer do not pay wholesale cost. You pay an inflated amount. So the cost to the ice cream shop, this is like their expenses. So the expenses for the ice cream shop for this ice cream cone is $1.15. Now they sold it to her for $2.25. Okay. So if we go up and look at how to solve for profit, you take the sales price minus the expenses or the wholesale cost to the store, and that equals profit. So we would take $2.25 and subtract $1.15, and we would get $1.10 as our profit for this ice cream. So again, you're looking at the ice cream cone, you're calculating all the items that you need to make this ice cream cone, the expenses for the ice cream cone, and then you're going to subtract it to find the profit from the sale price of the ice cream cone. Okay, so again, you're going to have to be going back and forth between your questions and this slide that has all the prices on it. Okay, so same thing for this. You're going to look, so this one has a bowl, a banana, ice cream, looks like they have sprinkles, cherry, and whipped cream. So this is how much it costs the customer to buy. You need to go back to this list to see how much it costs the store to make, and then find the difference between the two. So again, you're going to need scratch paper to solve for this. Okay. Now, when you get towards the bottom, it's going to talk about sometimes losses. Okay, and a loss, let me find. Okay, and here's one about a loss, meaning what a loss is if the store spent more money on the ice cream than it sold to the customer. Because as you can see here, they sold this ice cream for 30 cents to the customer. But look, they got a cone, chocolate, ice cream, and 2 cherries, which probably cost more than 30 cents for the store to make. So you're still going to have the wholesale cost here, the cost to make. And a loss, you're still subtracting. But now instead of subtracting sale price minus expenses, you're flipping it. You're subtracting expenses minus the sale price just to calculate how much money the store lost on this ice cream cone. Okay? Now, I know that was a lot of information, but remember, you can go back and watch this as many times as you need to, pause it, or whatever. So like as I was going over this question, you can pause it and go over it with me. And again, you have to keep coming back to this picture to solve for all of these problems, okay? So if you have any questions for Mrs. Raisler or myself, please let us know in the private comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Y'all, I know this last week in math has been a lot of work, so thank y'all for working so hard. All right, let us know if y'all need anything. Bye.